Hey my lovely people, welcome back to my channel Makeup Simplified. Today we're gonna talk about summer. We do need to talk about summer. We're gonna talk about beautiful flowy dresses and beautiful colors, not just with our outfits, but also our lips. Today I'm going to be showing you a combination of different lipsticks which range from nude, neutrals to really fun colors that you can rock your summer look with. These lip colors are going to be a mix of high-end brands as well as some drugstore brands. By the way, my skin tone is NC30 for MAC, so this will give you a reference as to what my skin color is, and you can try the one that works for you. So here we go.
The first shade is the Sephora collection lip stain in First Date. It's a warm-toned coral lipstick. It's long-lasting, doesn't bleed, and feels creamy. It dries to a matte finish. It does not lift when you press lips together. I think it will look rocking with white outfits and just some light jewelry with it. And white equates with summer, right? The next lipstick is Maybelline Superstay Amazonian. This color is insanely beautiful.
The formula of this lipstick is stellar and it compares with a lot of high-end brands. This color will look attractive with the reds or terracotta or any warm colors from tan to all the way to dark brown. It's a great color for brunch or business or work meetings. It's an understated but powerful color.
The next lipstick, guys, is the Nyko Matte to Last liquid lipstick in Madras copy. How can I not mention this lipstick in my summer collection list? This lipstick is a staple all year round, but especially during summer because the formula is so astounding. It does not spread or smear from the hot weather, and it's so good for brown skin beauties. It will go beautifully with kurtis or cotton tunic dresses. It's a very boho chic color indeed. So if you get a chance, grab it immediately because Nyko is having a sale right now. Our next lipstick is House Labs by Lady Gaga in shade Power Move. This pink shade of lipstick is a must-have this summer, and I'm so glad it's available on Amazon. It's a very neutral pink shade and it will look really gorgeous on all different kinds of skin tones.
This lip color will go so well with any summer dress, be it a green dress or yellow or any prints even. With your beautiful flowy outfits, this lip color will give you those popsicle pink lips.
Next we have the Sephora lip stain in shade number 80 Honeymoon. It's a warm toned medium coral with a matte finish. It's very long lasting, matte, and adds great color in one swipe. It is the ultimate warm color and very refreshing on the lips.
The longevity of these lipsticks is what makes it very appealing. Be it brunch or your coffee and croissant, this lipstick will last. I think this lip color is so perfect for attending an Indian summer wedding. Nothing too much, but still such a ravishing color.
And we have our last but the best one, which is the NARS liquid lipstick in American Woman. I've been wearing this lipstick at home for Zoom calls, telehealth, home date nights, because why not, right? It's incredibly lightweight and non-tacky. It goes from loungewear to suits and everything in between. I would say you can wear it to the beach, to movie night, to cocktails, and the possibilities are just endless. So guys, these were my top 6 lipsticks I've been loving recently. I hope you all had fun watching the lip colors and the swatches. Let me know in the comments which lip color from these 6 are you excited to try. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video with anyone who loves makeup. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon for notifications. Also, tag me on Instagram on make.up.simplified wearing your favorite lipstick from these 6. Make sure to use the hashtag makeoverbycash. I'm always excited to watch your post on Instagram. Have a great weekend. Bye!